This NutriBullet Pro is the go-to personal blender for anyone looking to elevate their daily nutrition with ease. Known for its powerful performance, compact design, and simplicity of use, this blender makes incorporating healthy choices into your daily routine a breeze. Whether you're blending smoothies, shakes, or even nut butters, the NutriBullet Pro delivers consistent results with every use. In this detailed review, we will explore the features that make this blender a standout choice, how it can fit into your lifestyle, and why it's a great investment for your health. The NutriBullet Pro comes with a 900-watt motor, which is a significant upgrade from the original NutriBullet. This extra power means that you can blend even the toughest ingredients with ease. Whether you're blending hard fruits, nuts, or leafy greens, the NutriBullet Pro transforms them into smooth, nutrient-rich beverages in no time. This blender is not just about raw power, it's about precision. The extractor blades are designed with cyclonic action, which ensures that even the most fibrous and tough ingredients are broken down into a smooth consistency. This is perfect for those who want to maximize the nutritional value of their ingredients. By breaking down the cell walls of fruits and vegetables, the NutriBullet Pro ensures that you're extracting the maximum amount of nutrients from your food, giving your body exactly what it needs. One of the standout features of the NutriBullet Pro is its compact design. While it packs a powerful punch, it's small enough to fit on any kitchen counter without taking up too much space. This makes it ideal for those who live in apartments or have limited kitchen space. Despite its small size, the NutriBullet Pro doesn't compromise on performance. Perfect for busy individuals who need a quick, nutritious meal on the go. The simplicity of the NutriBullet Pro's design is also a huge plus. Unlike other blenders that come with multiple buttons and settings, this blender operates with just one simple motion. Push, twist, and blend. There's no need to worry about complicated instructions or settings. The NutriBullet Pro is designed to make your life easier, allowing you to focus on what matters most, your health. One of the common issues with blenders is the cleanup process. After making a delicious smoothie or shake, the last thing you want to do is spend time scrubbing the blender. NutriBullet understands this, which is why the NutriBullet Pro is designed for hassle-free cleaning. All you need to do is twist off the blades, rinse them with soap and water, and put the cups in the top rack of the dishwasher. That's it. No more scrubbing or soaking. Just quick and easy cleanup that fits into your busy schedule. This convenience is a game changer for anyone who uses their blender frequently. The NutriBullet Pro is perfect for those who need a convenient, quick way to get their daily nutrition. The blender comes with two 32-ounce cups, making it easy to prepare single servings of smoothies, shakes, or even protein drinks. Whether you're heading to work, the gym, or just need a quick meal at home, the NutriBullet Pro has you covered. The to-go lids make it easy to take your drink with you. You can enjoy your nutritious creations on the move. Whether you're rushing to catch a train or heading out for a workout, the NutriBullet Pro ensures that you always have access to healthy, delicious drinks wherever you go. The NutriBullet Pro is built with high-quality materials that are designed to withstand regular use. The stainless steel extractor blades are strong and durable, able to handle tough ingredients without dulling. The BPA-free plastic cups are also durable and long-lasting, ensuring that your NutriBullet Pro will serve you for years to come. Safety is a priority with NutriBullet products, and the NutriBullet Pro is no exception. The components that come into contact with your food are made from BPA-free materials, ensuring that your drinks are free from harmful chemicals. The blender is also built to North American and Canadian electrical standards, so you can use it with confidence, knowing that it's designed to be safe and reliable. This comprehensive set gives you plenty of options for making different recipes and serving sizes. The recipe book is a great resource for those who are new to blending or looking for fresh ideas. With the NutriBullet Pro, you can create a wide range of delicious and nutritious meals with ease. Why choose the NutriBullet Pro? The NutriBullet Pro is the perfect blender for those who are serious about their health and want a convenient, powerful tool to help them achieve their nutrition goals. Whether you're blending smoothies for breakfast, Making a post-workout shake or preparing nut butters for a healthy snack? The NutriBullet Pro delivers consistent, high-quality results every time. With its compact design, powerful motor, and ease of use, the NutriBullet Pro is an ideal choice for anyone looking to incorporate more healthy meals into their diet. It's a blender that you'll actually use every day, thanks to its simplicity and performance. If you're ready to take control of your health and make nutrition a priority, the NutriBullet Pro is a smart investment. It's more than just a blender. It's a tool that helps you live a healthier, more vibrant life. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.